Paulit-ulit na lang ba? Nadapa ka na ba sa negosyo mo dahil sa utang? Alam mo anak, naintindihan ko yung struggle mo. Yes, it's like the cycle of failure and debt never ends. Ako rin, I've had my share of failures and not in just one business, but in more than 20 businesses. Napaiyak ako noon sa frustration. Hindi naman kasi madali ang pagiging business owner, di ba? Like in the situation of Lorna who owns a lechon manok business kung saan maraming competition at mataas ang overhead costs. Nakakaubos ng energy. Ang ginawa ko noon, I reflected on what went wrong. First, acknowledge your courage. Running a business, be it alone or with your life partner, it shows your determination. Next, analyze your operations. Anong araw, anong oras ang may pinakamaraming customers? Then, focus your energy there. Track every expense and sale kahit na gaano kaliit. Hindi lalago ang negosyo kung di mo alam ang kita at gastos mo. Remember that. Ito ang lesson. If you really need to borrow money, use it for growth, not for covering daily losses. Dapat malinaw kung paano ito makakatulong sa negosyo mo. At ang mahalaga, alam mo dapat kung paano mo ito babayaran. Remember, your failures are not the end of your story. They're lessons preparing you for success. So take one small step today. Trust in your ability to rise stronger. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.